Hi comic book fans. I just wanted to make a video about one of my collections. It's my collection of belt buckles. I have to start with this one. It's my Transformers Decepticon belt buckle. And you can turn it around and it becomes the Autobots. Okay. I'll start. Another one is my classic Nintendo controller belt buckle. Darth Vader. This isn't in any order. I'm just grabbing what I got in my box there. Okay. It's hard to see because he's all black, but Darth Vader. We got a Pac-Man chasing the power pellet with the ghost behind him. First, then I got the big honkin' Pac-Man. Woo! And then Pinky. I wear all these ones. I used to change them every week, but now every day. But now I change them once a week. Ready there? He's really shiny. He's a really cool one. See how shiny he is? Pretty cool. And I got Bluey. And on the blue theme, yes, I like this cartoon. Not the song, but the cartoon. The Smurfs. And then I got Spider-Man. And Goofy. Hellboy. Cobra. I really like the Cobra symbol. It looks a little tarnished there, I think, but the next one I'll show you has a little bit of tarnish too. Oops, turning the wrong way. This one has a little bit of tarnish too on it, but it is the Thundercats. Pretty cool one. These next two are from the 70s. I picked these up. It's the Battlestar Galactica. It's a really shiny one. In the light, you can really see it shine. The next one is two Cylon Raiders and a Viper. It's more pinky and purpley, that one. The big green monster is the Hulk. And that's a big one too. Now stop looking at my thing. There's a thing. My favorite cartoon dog, Brian. Looks a little drunk there, or mad. Now I got two Supermans. One is, it's got the black on the inside. And I also have the classic one, the Superman. And I have two Batmans. I have this Batman. And I have this Batman. It's the classic Batman sort of thing. And two more left. Green Lantern. Oops, sorry. Green Lantern. And the Flash. I just want to make a quick video. I like my belt buckle collection. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.